So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 3D column chart to a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here to where it says chart. Make sure that 3D is selected. So right here in the middle, press on 3D. And if you're looking for a 3D column chart, simply just scroll down to this first option right here and press on that. Now what this basically does is if I were to make it a little bit larger, you can actually just view this in like a three-dimensional way, which is pretty cool. So that's obviously why it's a 3D column chart. Now if you want to verify that it is a column chart, press on the chart right here, go to the bottom right to where it says chart type, and make sure that 3D column is selected under chart type. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add a 3D column chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.